top MBA colleges in India. So yeah, that's what we are going to talk about today. My discussion about any particular college will be based on few parameters that I have shortlisted. Most of it is based on how good is their return on investment, the money that you are paying as a fees, their infrastructure is good enough or worthy enough for that fees or not, plus how good is their alumni base, plus how good they are performing in the last 2 or 3 years, also how much the whole environment allows you or encourage you for the other extracurricular activities. If you are an MBA student or aspirant, MBA aspirant, trust me, the other activities are very important once you enter any B school. It's just not about academics or anything. It's about your marks or something. It is always about what extra you can do to groom yourself. Also, this video is sponsored by Unacademy, so we are going to discuss their few live code classes they have recently launched at the end of this video. So stay tuned till the end of this video so that you'll get to know about more colleges, the top colleges. Also subscribe to our channel.
As I mentioned before, let's get started about top MBA colleges in 2020. First of all, what basis is there for my evaluation? So, NIRF ranking, I believe, mostly into this. For 2020 colleges, last year, based on the last year's performance and everything, NIRF releases this ranking. Why I trust this ranking is it's a government authorized. Okay, so there is no, I mean, people cannot give money to advertise their own college or anything, so their evaluation is very fair. And also colleges have to submit many documents to get their college verified and to get into the NIRF ranking. So how do they evaluate is, they have this weightage given to 5 different aspects of the college. So first is teaching learning resources, second research and professional practices, graduation outcomes, outreach and inclusivity, and perception. So the next thing is, we'll get started with the ranking. The first thing, first rank, obviously, it's most of the people must be thinking that IIM Ahmedabad is one of the top colleges in India for MBA, but that's not the real case. It was the top college, but in 2019 ranking, IIM Bangalore overtook uh, the overcome the IIM Ahmedabad ranking, and now they are at the first position. So what is the fees? 18.7. Salary per annum is 25 lakhs. And infrastructure and extracurricular activities, I'm going to rank it out of 5, so it's 4.8 for IIM Bangalore. The next one is IIM Ahmedabad, obviously another top college in India. 23 lakhs of fees, a salary 23 lakh. The ROI, as you can see, is 1, exactly 1. So the infrastructure is not, I mean, it's 4.6. Infrastructure is good, but extracurricular activities and everything is lesser than what IIM Bangalore is providing. The next one is IIM Calcutta. Fees are 20 lakhs. Salary per annum is 25 lakhs. The ROI is more than 1. It is quite good here. And the infrastructure and extracurricular activities are good, better than IIM Ahmedabad, so is 4.7 out of 5. So the next one is IIM Lucknow. The fees are very considerably lesser than those of previously 3 IIMs. Okay, so it's 11.76 lakhs per. And the per annum salary is 18 lakhs, and the extracurricular activities and infrastructure is 4.7. It is same as IIM Calcutta. So, but the fees are very less. It's a very good college. So next one is IIM Indore. Fees are 16 lakhs. It's between IIM Lucknow and IIM Calcutta. Salary per annum 19.4 lakhs, which is very good. Infrastructure and extracurricular activities, they lack into this a little bit compared to other 4 IIMs. So it's 4.4. IIT Kharagpur. So you must be thinking you must be thinking like how the IITs are getting ranking into these top colleges in MBA. Actually, they are really good. They are literally really good. People are not much aware about it because IITs don't put a lot of money into their advertising and marketing. So most of the people don't even know that MBA is offered in IITs. Actually, it is really good in quality and other things. it's a government institution, so they don't get funding from private parties. Okay, so that's why the marketing is less compared to other IIMs and other private colleges, but they are good. In NIRF ranking, it's on sixth number. IIT Kharagpur 9.27 lakhs, salary per annum 16 lakhs or 16.11 lakhs, and infrastructure and extracurricular is fair enough 4.5. XLRI, another famous college, 23.6, very expensive. Salary is 21 lakhs per annum, which is the ROI is less than 1 here. Infrastructure and extracurricular activities are 4.6 out of 5. So the next one is IIM Kozhikode. Its salary is 16 lakhs per annum. Fees are 17.5 lakhs. ROI is less than 1 again. Infrastructure and extracurricular activities 4.4 out of 5. DMS Delhi, Department of Management Studies, IIT Delhi. The fees are 10 lakhs, around 10 lakhs. I'm not sure about the exact fees, but it is around approximately around 10 lakhs. Salary per annum is 18 lakhs. Infrastructure and extracurricular activities is 4.4 out of 5. The next ranking at number 10th, it's IIT Bombay, the Department of Management, their Department of Management Studies. The fees are approximately 10 lakhs. The salary per annum is much higher. It's the ROI is 2. It's at 20 lakhs. Infrastructure and extracurricular activities 4.6 out of 5. So the next one is Department of Management Studies, IIT Roorkee. Fees are 8 lakhs, around 8 lakhs. Salary per annum is around approximately 12 to 14 lakhs per annum. Infrastructure and extracurricular activities 4.8 out of 5. So here is the list of institutes out of 50. Those who have more than ROI more than 1, which is very key factor if you are investing any money. So what should your ROI should be more than 1. So the list is not actually based on the rank. There is no ranking. I just mentioned all the names. Maybe if you IIT Bombay has double ROI, maybe it will rank this list or something. IIT Roorkee has more than 1 ROI. So what I personally have felt that the ROI in IITs are more because fees are very less. You don't get to see this because the marketing is not that good in IITs, but it's totally up to you whether to go for IIM or IIT. Mentioned earlier, we are going to talk about this particular batch that Unacademy has recently launched. Okay, so this is a CAT preparation batch. It is going to start from 25th of May. It's a weekday evening batch. So they are going to cover full syllabus, and the lecturers are these are the people who are going to teach you. Okay, so Himanshu Das and this guy and this guy. So how do you evaluate this? Why they are good in this? How do you evaluate? So watch their look for their watch time and their followers. Okay, mostly the watch minutes. So these are the minutes that students have streamed their lectures on different on different topics. So it shows how much students believe in their teaching methodologies and their concepts. So these are good educators. You can visit their profiles if you register on Unacademy. Even if you don't register on Unacademy, you can go and visit their profiles. So the next thing is the start time is 15th of May. It will start. So the next one is topics covered, verbal ability. I mean, they are going to cover all the 3 sections. Now schedule. You can check the schedule. It has the pre-planned, the entire complete schedule. They are very focused on Unacademy. You can go to Unacademy and check the schedule. They are very focused on what they are going to teach on what date. The whole course has been scheduled. So please go and check it out. The next thing is how will you opt for it? So you have to go here and click on get subscription. So there are different payment methodologies. The different payments are there: 35,000, 8,000, 8,700, and 15 and other things. Okay, so go there and check out. Also, we have mentioned a coupon code in the description below. You'll get extra 10% discount on your payment. Okay, so please check out our description, and the link for this course will be mentioned in the description as well. So that's it for today's topic, guys. Stay tuned for more CAT preparation videos and subscribe to our channel. Hit that bell icon to get notification from our channel. Thank you so much.